I literally don't know how to start this video. Like, I've been trying to start this video for like the past 25 minutes. I think the first thing I need to kind of say is sorry. I didn't really want to just upload and kind of like just carry on as if nothing kind of happened. If you don't know, I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I've kind of been off YouTube for about 2 weeks or so. I don't know, there's a few things that I need to air. Especially, a lot of things have changed this year. I mean, a hell of a lot of things as well. I'm not in my stupidly cramped bedroom anymore. I'm in my own house, for one. I want to answer a few questions as well. There's a few things that I want to say on camera as well that I kind of didn't really want to put in a video. I want to kind of put it separate. So if there is anything as well that you guys want to know, I've not mentioned in this video, please leave something in the comments. I bought a house, that's the biggest thing. We've literally just like a week ago or whatever, like finished decorating the house. We didn't really understand like kind of how much was involved with a house. Like, I thought that you kind of buy a house, and I know it's a bit naive, but you buy a house and it's kind of sorted and everything's all right and stuff, but it's not. It's such an ongoing thing. And right at the very start, which I'm so glad we did, we've been in this house like 4 months now. We've absolutely smashed it from the get-go, me and Lauren, and we've got most of the things sorted in the house, like painting and decorating and all the rest of it. So this is actually my room as well. This is finished now. If you guys are interested in having a look around the house, I'd be more than happy to do a house tour. And as well, we want to get a garage built at the side as well. So if you guys want to see pictures or videos of it progressing or whatever, let us know. So we've finished moving into the house. We've sorted all the house out. We've got everything sorted. That's pretty much done. But yeah, I didn't really know, sorry, how much kind of time and effort you have to put into buying a house and getting it sorted. So it did take up a lot of like my energy and Loz's energy actually moving into the house. But yeah, it's all sorted now. Everything's sorted. I keep saying sorted, but yeah, the house is sorted. It's tricky as well because I haven't got the best job in the world. I haven't got money coming out my ears and out all the orifices. We kind of had to withdraw on the money spending type of thing for a while, just to kind of see how much we'd have after each month and stuff, and what, because obviously you still need to save just in case something bad happens and you have to pay for it. And that's why I didn't go to a lot of shows and stuff this year, but I'm definitely going to change next year. We're going to start going to more shows. And I'll hopefully start meeting some of you guys as well. My last year, I was very active going to like shows and stuff like that, and I was being super busy, but just with so much going on with like stress and stuff. I mean, I'm quite a confident person. I don't normally get stressed, but it just built up and built up and built up, and like these past few months as well, I've been like really down, and I don't really like to use that term like lightly. I don't like using that as an excuse. Yeah, it's been hard the last couple of months and as well, and YouTube is like a release for me. Making the videos and seeing you guys enjoy the videos and give me good feedback and give me likes on the video. I know some people do it just because they want to grow or whatever, but honestly guys, like when you show appreciation to the videos and when I get like views and stuff, it makes me feel incredible. It makes me feel that I'm helping people out there and stuff, and I get messages very often from people that have watched my YouTube channel or whatever and ask me questions about, for example, my ram air install, when I got my exhaust changed and what I've done to the car and stuff like that. Like, they message me on Instagram. If you do want to message me on Instagram, you want to ask me something, again, the link is in the description. You go to my Instagram, send me a message, I will definitely reply. I love replying to people that send me messages saying love your videos and give me positive vibes and give me positive feedback. It's incredible, and that's the reason why I do it. I do it for you guys. I love making the videos, but getting that feedback as well is just incredible. Yeah, as well, another reason why I've not been uploading, I've been kind of ill for like the last 2 weeks. I just feel, again, so drained with being down and stuff. I don't think it helps with like your immune system and stuff, and you just progressively get worse. But this video is going to be, it's going to mark a point in my channel. I mean, today's the 21st of September. 2018, and I want this to be a day of kind of where I kind of step things up. Like, I'm sick and tired of doing a video here and there, and I need to stop doing that. It's one of my biggest peeves. Like, I just need to come home from work and just get a video edited. If I want to potentially do this one day as a job, it's something that I need to do. I need to be able to come back and get a video edited. So my goal is to kind of get a video out by every Wednesday and maybe Sunday. I want to kind of tailor things again, like I said before, around me, around the TT, around the house. Again, with me starting to upload more, I want you guys as well to give me feedback on the videos. Tell me what you like, tell me what you dislike, tell me what you want to see, what you want me to do differently. I need feedback. Obviously, I can churn these videos out like every a week or whatever, but I want to make them videos that you guys are going to watch, because what's the point in making videos you aren't going to watch, you know? There's no point making it, it's just wasted time. And I have actually got a second channel that I started up with one of my friends, Greg. If I'm not messing around with my car, if I'm not doing anything with friends or whatever, or not doing anything with Lauren, chances are I'll be gaming. If you guys do want to watch any videos, if I don't upload, chances are I've got an upload on that channel. I've got about 20-25 videos that I can actually upload like literally as soon as possible. Not on this channel, but my gaming channel. Again, link is in the description. I need 100 subscribers to be able to fully set up the channel, so yeah, click it. Oh yeah, another thing as well, pretty important, with me moving into the house as well, I also proposed to Lauren.
What the hell?
Will you marry me?
Oh my god, yes!
Lauren, come here a sec. Oh, she's not coming. I will show you the ring, but she doesn't want to be on a video. I just want this to be a bit of a turnaround. I'm sick and tired of like half kind of doing stuff, and that's not the type of person that I am. I always want to give 110%. If I want to be able to potentially do this as a job, I need to put that work in. And like the rest of 2018 and 2019 is my year. I mean it more than ever. Like I want this so much, and I need to put the time and effort in, and it's you guys that suffer, and it's not right. And sometimes people watch my videos, like if they can learn, and if I can inspire somebody to be able to become a YouTuber one day. Like sometimes there's people that send me a message saying that I've just bought an Audi TT just from watching your videos. Like that is insane. That is crazy. For me to have an influence on somebody's life. I love putting out content, and making videos as well is so fun. It's such a passion of mine, doing this like videography stuff, and people watching them as well and subscribing. It's just so cool. And the only trouble is when I do see subscribers going up every single day, like, don't ever think I'm not grateful, because at this moment in time 3,293, and I'm so grateful for every single person that subscribes and spends time out of their day out of their busy schedules to watch the videos. It's just incredible, and I cannot thank you guys enough for the love and the support and everything you give me. It's just insane. But yeah, I'm gonna cut this video off because I've been talking for absolutely ages. I'm sorry if I bored you. Yeah, the giveaway is still active on the OEM mounts. Again, if you've not seen the video on how to enter, you can click the link below, but I'll put another video up of how to physically, literally show you guys step from step. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh. That was my POV. Peace out, boys.